Alma of the Airwaves, and Lucky of the Orange Couch. Behind today's mail. Thank you for a beautiful card. Thank you so much. Canada Post is improving my relationship with Canada Post. Okay, it is 15th of April. It's a beautiful Thursday, and you'll see the weather in the short video of the day. It was fog, and then it was sunshine, and what can I say? The weather changes like really something. But today,
it's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 p.m. Okay, you know how I can videotape my airwaves at any point? And it's not a live show that I have to show up at 2 p.m. every day. And yet, when I'm not working, it's usually exactly this time that I'm sitting to doing it. It's just my robot routine. It works, I don't know. Everything falls into place. So it's 2 p.m. Okay. But I'm not gonna let him distract me from the topic of the day. I know yesterday we talked about my new project, which is a very ambitious icon. Here it is. By the way, just before I continue, let me tell you that I am gonna produce tears. First time. I'm gonna learn how to make real tears. Like really, there is so much information. But I Googled and I have to learn how to make real teardrops because she'll be crying. First of all, how important I don't think yesterday it became clear what an important icon this is. We're talking here about Mater Dolorosa, the grieving Virgin Mary. Okay, so how many are produced in the world? Many. Let's not even go to Tizian and stuff like that. But here we have the grieving, the Mother, the Virgin Mary in sorrow. Okay, Easter is coming. What do I remember always? 2004. The year is 2004. Mel Gibson's The Passion of the Christ. When this movie came out, this is now what, 17 years ago, The Passion of the Christ. I don't know if you have seen it, but till this day, the performance of the Virgin Mary in the movie by Romanian actress. Okay, I'll give you her full name. It's Maya Emilia Ninel Morgenstern. Do you remember this actress? Do you remember her performance of the Virgin Mary when her son died? Like, I have never seen anything like it. This performance in this movie it's something else. So I might not identify with what it is to be crucified, obviously. But I can absolutely imagine what it is for a mother to live through the crucifixion of her son. Let's not even mention that my Ahi's name is Chris, and we named him after Jesus Christ. So I will make a masterpiece of that, make no mistake. I'm going to learn, but definitely there are going to be tears in her eyes. So, project of the month, let's say so, because it's really the month of our Easter, so it's not going to be done in one day, like Hello Kitty. Yeah, in my quotes of the day, the gentleman who wrote the book about how to make habits, so-called ATOM, very small habit changes, talks about how important it is to talk to us using the language of a third person. he says people follow other people's advice much easier than their own. So it's easy when you're totally enmeshed in your, especially negative self-talk, to step back and to start talking to yourself in third person. What are you thinking? It does help. It's one of his tools in his books, and I think it's a very good idea. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the very short video of our day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Friday already. Yes, one more thing. Before I take Lucky out for a walk, I forgot to show you what I have, speaking of Mother Dolorosa. Okay, this is made on wood. It's from Bulgaria, and it's precisely what it is. An 18th century, the Holy Mother in Sorrow, or Mother Dolorosa, in late 18th century. This is made after the 1848 icon of, we talked yesterday, Zaharia Tsarnaev. Yes, I have that. I forgot to show you this. Isn't it beautiful? Wait for mine.